I can zoom too. Yeah. Okay, Belin's on there.
46 months in your state regulations. Third trimester, 9 months safety for mother's life.
Okay, looks like we're about a minute in. You should have about 9 things written down right now. At least. Okay, that's Celine. I'm learning names. People looking deep thought back here. No pressure just because the camera's running. Okay, got about 15 seconds. No pressure. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, let's stop right there. Where's my marker? Here it is. Okay, Libertarian group, give me a fact in reference to women.
In Pakistan, you have to have 4 males, in order to actually classify it as rape.
In Pakistan, you've got to have 4 male witnesses. 4 male witnesses in order to classify something as rape, to get a conviction. And what was the law called? Do you remember? Anybody from that group? We'll come back to that. All right, Ryan's group, give me a fact.
In South Dakota, they want to limit abortion to only certain cases.
Okay, that's true. What are the cases?
If you're
rape.
Or danger to the mother.
Danger to the mother.
Or if the baby's going to have some kind of defect.
Rape, danger to the mother, health of the child. There might be one more that you could bring up. That kind of, you probably have already said, but it's one of the things that jumps out. A crime. Incest would be the other one, but I think you hit it pretty good as far as that's concerned. Belin's group, give me a fact. Five, 4.
Human rights, sexual enslavement as a crime against humanity.
Say again.
Human rights, sexual enslavement as a crime against humanity.
Human rights, sexual enslavement as a crime against humanity. All right, Libertarian group, you guys buying that?
Hell no.
No. Ryan's group, are you buying that? No. Susie's group, are you buying that?
No.
No. Danny's group, no.
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 We know we know what that law is called.
Susie's group, give me a fact. Susie's group, give me a fact. 5, 4, 3. What's that?
Women have the right to vote in America.
Women have the right to vote in America. Why? How?
Constitution.
Where?
In America.
No, in the Constitution. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I need an amendment. No. The 19th Amendment I would have accepted. All right, Daniel's group, give me a fact.
Yemen child brides.
Talk to me about Yemen child brides.
They're being bought and paid. They're being sold by their parents for financial reasons and being bought and abused and raped.
Okay, so on the one hand, in Yemen, you've got these child brides, and the child brides are being bought and sold. On the one hand, they're benefiting the family because they're providing them with economic resources. On the other hand, it's a danger to the kids. So absolutely. All right, Deanna's group, give me a fact.
We have the fact that in Somalia, they've gone from stoning rapists to stoning the rape victims again for adultery.
In Somalia, they've gone from stoning the rapists to stoning the actual accusers because of adultery. And that's just it. To kind of build on what they said a second ago. If indeed you accuse of rape, but you don't have the witnesses, then you become guilty of adultery. Go ahead.
The word for the law you were looking for.
I'm not ready for that yet. You might want to save that. Okay, Libertarian group, give me a fact. 5, 4, 3.
Islamic retribution.
What is Islamic retribution?
In the case of the girl where the acid was poured on her, she has the right under Islamic law to have the same an eye for an eye.
An eye for an eye. Do unto others as you would have done unto you, in effect. The woman had acid poured on her. She got a court order or a court decree that said you can drop acid in his eyes. And what can you relate it to females at all, but for the fact that it was a woman that did this?
You mean related?
That it involved a woman. There's something else that's kind of significant about gender in this.
You mean this was like the?
It was the fact that it was the first time that a woman got this.
That's exactly what it is. Women don't usually win rulings like this. That's exactly what I was going for. Ryan's group, give me a fact. Gotta go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh.
Wait. The Iranian, the leader guy, he stopped funding that woman in another country somewhere. So she's got another treatment for eyes. But
You know what? I'll take that. The Iranian leader guy. I'll take that. I'm in a generous mood. That's better than women can vote because of the Fifth Amendment. All right, Daniel's group, give me a fact.
Although South Dakota tried passing the laws against abortion, they still made it. They've made it really hard for women to get abortions, to the fact where doctors don't even want to do it. So Planned Parenthood has to send their own doctors out. I think
That's absolutely true. South Dakota is the most difficult state in the country to get an abortion in, and they never passed either of those two laws.